Trump just dropped the most shocking immigration bombshell. Green card holders are now prisoners in their own country. You heard that right. If you have a green card and leave America, you might never come back. Trump's new emergency travel authorization requires every single green card holder to get government clearance before traveling. Want to see your sick grandmother in Mexico? Federal background check. First, need to attend your brother's funeral in India. Sorry, you're waiting 90 days for approval, one missing document, one bureaucratic mistake, and boom, you're permanently locked out of the country you call home. We're talking about 13 million people who've been here for decades, paying taxes, building businesses, raising American families. Suddenly, they're treated like national security threats. Here's what's really insane. 40% of our tech engineers hold green cards, 25% of our medical specialists too. If they can't travel for work, conferences, for family emergencies, America's economy could tank overnight. Already seeing panic selling people, liquidating their homes, emptying their savings accounts, preparing to never return. Families are being torn apart, missing weddings, funerals, graduations, because the risk is too damn high.
Attention green card holders, stop being afraid to travel. It is impossible. No way, no how. Your green card cannot be revoked at the airport. The only way your green card gets revoked is if you give it up voluntarily. So you got to know your rights. And the number one right you need to know is you have the right to see an immigration judge. And only an immigration judge can take your green card away. When you come into the airport, the CBP officer, if they want to be jerks, are going to try to get you to sign a piece of paper that you voluntarily give up your green card. No matter what they say to you, you don't sign it. And the only reasons that you would ever have a problem re-entering the United States is if you have a criminal record. You're a suspected terrorist. You have stayed outside the United States for long periods of time, and you are generally using your green card to come visit but not living in the United States. Or you have committed some form of fraud. The only difference between now and back then, when you felt safer to travel, is that maybe CBP is asking a few more questions, and maybe CBP is trying to twist your arm to get you to give up your green card. Otherwise, the laws are all the same. They have not changed. It's the same law from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and now in 2025.
The first video, that's what you call fear-mongering. I mean, where are you? Prison? You're telling me that somebody died and you're not able to go to the funeral. So if it's your mom, your grandmother, your aunt, somebody close to you died, you're stuck here even though you have a green card. Please. I recently traveled to Jamaica, the smoothest travel experience I've ever had. And I never had to do any of what they're mentioning. You know? Went there just fine, came back just fine. And I have friends who are traveling all over the world with their green card, no issues. So don't let the fearmongers stop you from traveling. Buy a ticket and go where you want to go. You're not criminals and you're not in a prison.
They provided photo